Hi guys, my name is Grace and today I'm gonna be opening world's smallest Rubik's Cube from Super Impulse. Yay! I'm so excited to see what this does. It has 6 different colors and it's like a puzzle. This is for ages 8 and up, and let's open it up. This is a Rubik's Cube, and it has white, green, yellow, blue, red, and orange, and yellow colors. And on each side it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares on top. And it could turn. The colors change when I turn it. See? When it's all mixed up, to win, you have to put the colors back together again. How do we do to make the blues go back to here? This is fun. Oh man, I can't do this. This is the world's smallest Rubik's Cube from Super Impulse. It's all mixed up still. I hope you like my videos. Thumbs up if you want to see some more videos, and I'll make them. Bye. I don't think I could do this. It's all mixed up still. No.